Ever notice those juicy edges in real paint? That thick buildup on the sides of a stroke? Yeah, Rebelle bristle brushes can do that. First, turn the edges on. This activates those natural paint ridges along your stroke. Use the Add Impasto slider to control how thick those edges get. Low values create a subtle edge. High values give thick, juicy paint buildup. Now decide how wide those edges are with the width slider. Thin and sharp, or bold and chunky. Size behavior lets you control how edges react to pen pressure and pen tilt. Press harder, tilt your stylus, and the edges shift and grow, just like real paint. Edges don't have to stay uniform. Remember when we talked about waves in the bristles? Edges can have waves too, and you can control their length. With lower values, you get short, frequent changes. With higher values, you paint longer, flowing transitions along the edges of the stroke. The wavelength of the edges can be randomized. At low values, there is little randomness. The edges change evenly and predictably. As the value increases, variations in wavelength start to occur, creating a more organic, painterly feel. Set how thin an edge can get at the narrowest point of its wave. Lower values create sharper tapers and finer strands, while a thicker, chunkier edge texture can be achieved with maximum values. Together, these settings turn your strokes into something real, full of depth, variation, and those beautiful edges that mimic real bristles.